Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Assetto Corsa in VR on Oculus Quest 2. First, confirm your computer has the necessary power for virtual reality. Next, connect your Quest 2 to your PC using a robust USB 3.0 cable. Then, install the Oculus PC application and follow the on-screen prompts to set up your headset. This ensures a stable connection and prepares your system for an immersive racing experience. Now let's get the software ready. Install Steam VR from your Steam library. It's crucial for VR compatibility. Launch Steam VR before you open Assetto Corsa. For easier game management and modding, download and install Content Manager. This tool streamlines the process significantly. Finally, consider using OpenXR Toolkit to fine-tune your VR experience, boosting performance and visual fidelity for smoother gameplay. Once in Assetto Corsa, navigate to the video settings. Prioritize frame rate over ultra-high graphics for a comfortable VR experience. Reduce post-processing effects and reflections, as these can be demanding in virtual reality. Experiment with your resolution and refresh rate settings to find a good balance between visual quality and smooth performance. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in immersion. If you encounter issues, start by updating your graphics drivers to their newest version. This often resolves many problems. Also, close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources for Assetto Corsa. Sometimes, a simple PC restart can clear up minor glitches. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your high-speed virtual racing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.